Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. There's nothing that I love more than planting things and watching my garden grow, and this beautiful raised garden bed helps me to do just that. I am thoroughly impressed with the amount of weight that this can hold. I've got 3 baby pine trees in there, some plants, a ton of dirt, and even some rocks to fill up space. And even though it's heavy enough to be difficult to push around my porch, it still shows no signs of sagging or the legs giving out. Even after a good all-day rain or a quick thunderstorm with heavy rain, this garden bed stays strong and protects all of my little baby plants inside of it. It comes with everything that you need to put it together, along with some easy to read instructions. I had the whole thing put together and ready to use within an hour. I didn't need to use any tools because everything is built to fit together nicely and securely. It has a built-in drainage system that allows you to drain the excess water so that you have happy, healthy plants, whether it's vegetables, flowers, or herbs. I am extremely happy with this raised garden bed. It's sturdy enough to withstand all of the abuse I put it through, and I know it's going to last me for a long time. I think I might get a few more of them for around the house, but that's just my point of view.